Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning. My name is Muhammad Zulhisyam and my metric number is 20997. So today I am going to talk about introduction and main point one. So we are going to talk about the nuclear energy, which is the advantage of nuclear energy. So first, for the introduction, nuclear energy in terms of an overall safety record is better than others energy, said Bill Gates. Okay, have you ever wondered what it's like if there is no nuclear energy? No, right? So there is almost 30 countries that already have nuclear energy. The economic benefits, the production of medical, such of electrical energy is also the benefit of the nuclear energy. Today, I am going to talk about the advantage of nuclear energy. You have probably heard this statement a million times before. Nuclear energy is a form of energy released from nucleus, the core of the atom. As students and teachers, this statement is helped a lot in life and exam, right? I have researched and read the topic, and now I like to share what I learned. Today, I like to focus on two benefits, which is I will first elaborate on first advantage, which is impact on country economy will increase, and then Norman will move to second advantage, which is the environmental impact of the country will increase. Okay, so the first main point, which is low cost energy. The supporting point is this is because it is cheap material compared to other alternative fuel resources. Another one is according to the Energy Policy 38 2010, in the article they mentioned that nuclear energy consumption can help to mitigate CO2 emissions, but so far renewable energy is needed. So next, they have low maintenance and operating costs. The official of nuclear energy mentioned that nuclear energy produces more electricity on less land than any other clean air source. For example, you need more 3 million solar panels to produce the same amount of energy. Okay, for the second opportunity is creates jobs. This is because there is too many workers needs to be employed in that country. According to the Office of Nuclear Energy, they mentioned the nuclear industry supports nearly 500,000 jobs in the United States. Next, nuclear industry also use varieties field of study. In the Energy Policy 2038 and 2010, in this article mentioned that in nuclear industry, they provide energy security and climate change. This proven that many scope of work need to be employed in the country. So I think that's all from me. I move to Norman to the second main point.
Hi, my name is Norman Amiruddin Justin. My metric number is 211989. So I will continue the presentation for the next point and the conclusion. The second advantage of nuclear energy is improving the environmental impact of the country. I will explain two reasons why it can improve the environmental impact of the country. For the first point, nuclear energy protects air quality. I will explain it further. Nuclear energy has zero transmission. It produces energy through fission, which is the breaking of uranium atoms to release energy. Without the toxic byproducts created by fossil fuels, electricity is produced using the heat from fission to create steam, which turns a turbine. Also, I will state a fact. In 2019, the United States prevents more than 476 million metric tons of carbon dioxide emissions, according to the Nuclear Energy Institute, NEI. There is more than all other sustainable energy sources put together, and is the equivalent of taking 100 million automobiles off the road. It also maintains clean air by eliminating thousands of tons of dangerous air pollution and annually that cause smoke, lung cancer, acid rain, and cardiovascular illness. Okay, for the next point, nuclear energy produce minimal waste. Why do I say that it can produce minimal waste? It is because nuclear fuel is extremely dense. The amount of spent nuclear fuel is not as much as you may assume because it is approximately 1 million times more than other conventional energy source. On a football field, less than 10 yards deep, it could fit all of the spent nuclear fuel created by the American nuclear energy sector over the past 60 years. That waste can also be reprocessed and recycled, although the United States does not currently do this. However, some advanced reactor designs being developed could operate on used fuel. I will add one more fact that you may not be aware of. That is 1 inch tall uranium pellet is equivalent to 17,000 cubic feet at natural gas, 120 gallons of gasolines, and 1 ton of coal. Next slide. To conclude this presentation, nuclear energy may significantly contribute to decarbonizing the generation of electricity, but it cannot completely replace fossil fuels as the only source of sustainable energy. Nuclear power should be explored as a possible carbon-free energy option in order to reduce future issues with climate change and other environmental concerns. Even if we confront severe hazards that are limiting the chance to continue growth. As Michael C. Burgers, which is an American physician, has said, nuclear power will help provide the electricity that our growing economy needs without increasing emissions. This is truly an environmentally responsible source of energy. So this is all the advantages of using nuclear energy, and that's all from us. Thank you.